Do you ever feel an urge to just go out of your mental boundaries and cook something unique? Well, if you do so, then we might get along really well. And if not, then there is always a ray of possibility for you to do so. Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. My name is Shubham and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare tropical chicken, and I assure you that by the end of this video, you're going to get an overdose of temptation and craving. So, without further ado, let's prepare tropical chicken. The ingredients that we'll require are half kg of boneless chicken diced into small pieces, one finely diced small pineapple, 6 to 8 pods of Kashmiri red chili, 3 to 4 medium sized garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of butter. You can use any type of butter, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, half tablespoon of sesame seeds, and dried fenugreek or methi around 4 teaspoons. To begin with, add vegetable oil and butter in a fairly hot pan. Keep the flame on low heat. Melt the butter thoroughly before adding the chopped garlic. Add the garlic and saute it in the pan until it becomes golden brown. The bubbles are created due to excess water present in the garlic, hence it will take around 5 to 7 minutes for them to turn golden brown. Once they do, you can add the Kashmiri red chili. Now I know that it's looking too acidic due to the chilies, but don't worry, the chilies just add color to the dish and are not too spicy. After sauteing the chilies and garlic well, add 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Once everything gets incorporated well, add in the chicken to the mixture. Keep the flame on medium heat for about 5 minutes and stir everything together. After 7 minutes, the chicken will start oozing its water. Ensure that the flame is kept on medium heat and keep on stirring everything well together. Change the flame setting and keep it on low flame. Add in the tomato sauce in batches of 2. The chicken should be around 70% cooked to this point. Let the chicken simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat. Once it's done simmering, add 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek or methi to the chicken. So now all that you have to do is stir it all well so that the dried fenugreek or the methi which we have added infuses its flavors into the chicken. After around 10 minutes, add in the diced pineapple and mix it all well together. The pineapple will cook very soon, so if you want to have it dry, you can keep the flame at a high setting. If you want to keep it a bit gooey, then you can keep it on low setting and let it all cook. Our tropical chicken really goes well with rice, hence I am plating some in a pineapple covering. So I've used the pineapple covering because it really adds an oomph and a tropical touch to the whole dish. Plate our lip-smacking, fiery, sweet and spicy tropical chicken with the rice. Last but not the least, you can sprinkle some toasted white sesame seeds on the chicken if you want, or as per your requirement, you can even use the black ones. Just like I had promised, our tasty lip-smacking, sweet and spicy tropical chicken is ready to be relished upon. This recipe is very close to my heart as I've learned it from my grandmother, but I added a twist by incorporating pineapple in this recipe. It is simple and the taste will suit everyone's taste buds. It can be eaten as a starter or even as a main course. It's very fulfilling and everyone will get addicted to it once you taste it. The flavors are well balanced, hence you get to relish upon the dish soulfully. The calorie estimate of this dish is around 500 and the total budget that I required was around 360 rupees. So, if you like this recipe, do follow the drill. That is, like this video, share it with your family and friends, comment down below your views and suggestions, and last but not the least, please do subscribe to my channel. I upload new recipes every Wednesday, so stay tuned. Until then, bye, take care, be safe, much love.